Hey guys, Way here, obviously. Anyway, this, as you guys can see, is my 2015 MacBook Air. Not the best, could be better, but it's a typical MacBook Air, so nothing fancy there. And I've always been using Catalina. As soon as when Catalina came out, I was on it. I was pumped for it when it was introduced. I was ready to get in there. I even had the Catalina beta test. Is it? I think that was what it was called. I got it. I loved it. Always. It's just much better than Mojave. And when this shipped, this was with Mojave, I believe. This particular MacBook here. Yeah, it shipped with macOS not Big Sur, macOS Mojave, and it was good. It ran well. It ran clean. Mojave, yeah, it was a perfect operating system for this particular MacBook Air. And then I got Catalina. I was like, yeah, I'll risk it. It's only a year. What, a couple of year difference between Mojave and Catalina. Why not risk it? So I did it. And nearing the end, when more and more what should I say? More and more apps are supporting Catalina. This kind of slowed down a bit. It wasn't like as fast as it used to be. But, for a 5-year-old machine, understandable. I wasn't making a big fuss. It wasn't as fast, but it was still snappy enough. Still got my work done for school. Now that I've graduated, I risked it to get the Big Sur, as you guys can see. But yeah, it got through me. It got through a day easily. Obviously, my battery's not looking the best. Service recommended, as you guys can see. But yeah, it survived. 4 gigs of RAM. I was hoping at least 8. i5. Maybe an i7 would have been better, but i5, I'll take an i5. My previous computer, which was an Acer Aspire, I think, one of the Aspire models, it was an i3. It wasn't sluggish. It wasn't as fast as this, obviously. Graphics, typical graphics, 6000, 1536 MB. I don't know what MB stands for. That's graphics. I'm not like a professional gamer, so I don't really know a lot about graphics and stuff. But if you're talking CPU, yeah, I'm pretty good at that. I risked it last night. I was sitting here, chilling, not really thinking about macOS and stuff. I was just looking at it through whether should I actually upgrade my AirPods Pros to the WH-1000XM4s, because I miss my Bose. I just miss my Bose. I don't know why. I just miss it. But yeah, AirPods Pros are nice. A lot more convenient. But yeah, anyway, I was watching reviews on the XM4s. I don't know why. I still don't understand why. But I decided to click the Apple logo up here. I just decided to click it. There was 2 updates. Oh my god, what am I doing? There was a system preference update, which was for Big Sur, as you guys should know. Anyway, there was 3 on App Store. I updated. It was Word, PowerPoint, and yeah, it was mainly Office 365 that needed update. But yeah, I updated those, and I decided to click system preferences, see what's up, because it's always been there. I've always known that Big Sur has been waiting for me on this MacBook. So yeah, and I was reluctant. I was very reluctant because I know there's a lot of my apps down here, as you guys can see. A few have disappeared because I did fine. I upgraded to Big Sur. I made the decision to upgrade to Big Sur. Here it is, Big Sur. I've used it for 1 day, and it's definitely not sluggish. Like, opening apps, pretty snappy. Look at that. Okay. That was yeah. Now it's making me look like a liar. God damn. There, yeah, okay, so now maybe it's because of the Wi-Fi, because a lot of things was very, very slow. Anyway, yeah, a lot of things was very slow. Yeah, I was just about to complain about that. I was like, yeah, you shouldn't upgrade to Big Sur because it's not the best. It's not the best for this MacBook. But honestly, it might be the best. I don't know. It is so snappy. It opens everything. Well, let's try this cord. Okay. There we go. Oh, but Discord's usually slow anyway, so there's not much. Yep, these are my friends, my only friends. Yeah, I don't know what about this free candy. I don't know, man. I'll connect you Spotify. Anyway, slow. But yeah, I'm so surprised. Safari opens so quickly. What about Chrome? Do I have Chrome? I don't think I've got Chrome. Yeah, no, I don't have Chrome. See, Chrome's a bit weird. Okay. Chrome uses a lot of RAM on any computer. Like honestly, Chrome is like maybe the toughest thing, like toughest software for computer. But Chrome worked on my school's Wi-Fi, so I had to use Chrome because Safari wasn't it wasn't the best. I need to change this wallpaper. I don't like this wallpaper. But yeah, Safari didn't work well with my school's internet, so I had to actually change it. But yeah, now that I'm officially graduated, I want to use Safari. I just want to. Should you? Some of you guys have a 2015 MacBook Air. I don't know, whatever 2015 Mac you have. This is obviously just like the worst one, the worst you can ever get. Like honestly, like just look at the specs. Just look at the specs. You telling me that's good? This ain't good. This is like one of the worst. See, this is my next plan. This is my next plan. I might. This might sound weird to you guys, but I might get the new Mac Mini, the M1 chip Mac Mini, cause I've got an iPad Pro. I love my iPad Pro. It's definitely a lot faster than this with that A12X. Since I've got the 2018 iPad Pro, but I do a lot of work on that iPad Pro compared to this MacBook Air. But when I just want a laptop, like an actual laptop, I just want to get work done, sit in front of a table, my AirPods in, get my work done, I jump to this guy, my trusty MacBook Air. Not fast, but yeah, I get work done with this guy. So now that I really want to retire this guy, but I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know why I want to give it up. It's such a good laptop. But I can't just want to give it up. Let the iPad Pro take over, and then when I get home while the iPad's charging, I could jump on the Mac Mini. Much bigger display, way bigger than this. Hopefully, definitely, and maybe even more powerful with the M1 chip. I mean, it's got like 8 cores in the CPU, in the GPU. Mind blown. Yeah, I'll probably get the 1TB too, because 128 on this guy didn't even last me a term. I already ran out of storage with Word documents and stuff. God damn. Maybe it's all the junk I've got in here. But yeah, should you upgrade? I think you should. It's actually a decent Mac OS. Obviously, some people, I know that some people don't really like the icons because it's really like that iPhone look. Like obviously, look at the control center. Yeah, I just don't know what to say. I'm speechless. It's nice. Got Siri up here. Nothing turned on. Thank God. Yeah, Time Machine. That's what I was called. That was what I was thinking about previously. But yeah, And since the batteries, yeah, service recommended. I mean, sit it on the shelf. Because honestly, I don't even think I can actually get support anymore for this. I might be able. Maybe. Let's see. See, everything's a lot more. Oh my goodness. Everything's just a lot more rounded. It's just nicer. And this isn't opening to full. Yeah, we go. Now it's open to full. God damn it. Really? Oh, okay. I might be able to type it in. All caps. You gotta really focus for this. Oh, sub. Remember, subscribe to get. Yeah, and turn on that notification bell as well. Oh! Nice. Yeah. Anyway, I'll give you guys updated. Until then, it's been 12 minutes. Yeah. See you guys next time. Upgraded Big Sur. You won't regret it. Yeah. Peace.